I'm Abella from Gennex Technologies, and I'll be highlighting key features of the MKS and Gennex Axpert King hybrid inverters in this video. The Gennex Axpert King and MKS hybrid inverters are 5KVA 5 kilowatts low voltage hybrid inverters that combine the functions of an inverter, battery charger, and an MPPT solar charge controller to support your energy needs. Both inverter models have zero transfer time to protect critical loads such as your servers and ATM. They also have a high solar charge current and can be paralleled up to 9 units to give you a larger capacity. Now let's talk about the key distinct features of both inverters. The MKS 0 has a maximum PV array power of 4000 watts, while the Gennex Axpert King has a maximum PV power of 5000 watts. The Axpert King model also has a detachable LCD module which allows you to monitor and control your inverter from a distance. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi/Bluetooth which allows you to monitor your device via a mobile app, and it is compatible with lithium energy storage. To find out more about the Gennex Axpert King and MKS hybrid inverters and how you can purchase them, please visit the website displayed on the screen.